Have you ever noticed how your entire body seems to relax when you sit beside the ocean, a lake, or a peaceful river? There may be a reason for that. You see, being around water can create a calming sensory environment. The rhythmic sound of waves, the movement of water, the fresh air, and expansive views can help reduce mental stimulation and encourage your body to shift from a heightened state toward rest and relaxation. So instead of constantly responding to notifications, noise, traffic, and your regular day to day responsibilities, your brain gets an opportunity to slow down. Even taking a few minutes to sit quietly near water, breathe deeply, listen to the waves, and observe your surroundings can become a powerful mindfulness practice. So the next time you're feeling mentally overwhelmed or overstimulated, consider spending some intentional time near a lake, a river, waterfall, or ocean. Sometimes your nervous system needs less noise, more nature, and a little time beside the water. Be well.